One day there's snow here in the backyard, and the next day I'm walking on it, and there's no wind, and it's just beautiful. So that's Canada for you. Oh, I just came back from my run. The neighbors are continuing with their work on their back area and driveway. So it's coming along. It'll get there. It'll get there. I think he's changed job. He's got a different truck. Yeah, so. Okay, I'm still out of breath. I just thought it was so nice that I might as well get out, and Lord knows what I look like. Who knows? I suppose I could flip the camera, but who's that? Who's that up there? I can't see. If I look up too much, I'll get dizzy. Anyway, I'm getting a little cool from the breeze, although it's really nice. It's really nice. There's our bi-colored house. One day. Oh, yeah, my husband's pants are hanging out there because somehow the dead possum smell got on them. We had to smell that in the car all the way home. But anyway, I just thought I'd let you know how beautiful it is today. And what's the temperature? Oh goodness, I can hardly walk. I should sit down and... Oh goodness. It's 2-3 degrees, which is really nice. It's going to be a nice day. Okay, so there you go, folks. Me panting after my run. See you later.